and draw me to her eyes that are gray. Can't see behind the stains of blurring stars and bleeding sun. I wish I could stay or silence the rain, the solid bars of all that's left undone. All that's left undone. All that's left undone. All that's left undone. Nights in the snow, when all you know is a velvet breath, and all you long for light is the stain. Limbo without a chain, the sweetest death might make you strong. Your gaze becomes eyes to crystal roll a dice, the trembling ground. What have you done? I wish I could wake as the walls start to quake from the impossible sound of air that leaves the sun. A summer breeze begun. A summer